Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 12. This is Section 1.4, Problem 12. It says, what is 162 reduced by 98? So I will write the 162, and beneath it, 98, lining up the rightmost digits, and it will be a subtraction. So to start, in the rightmost column of digits, I have 2 minus 8. Now the 2 is not large enough to subtract an 8 from, so I need to borrow. I will go one column of digits to the left. At the top of that column, I find a 6. So I will borrow from the 6. I will cross off the 6, reduce it to a 5. That will allow me to put a 1 in front of the 2 in the top of the far right column that I was working with, changing that 2 into a 12. Now I do 12 minus 8, which I can do. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now the next column of digits over to the left, I have 5 minus 9. So a similar problem. 5 is not large enough to subtract 9 from, so I need to borrow again. So I go to the next column of digits to the left, and I find a 1 at the top of that column. I will cross off the 1, reduce it to a 0. That'll allow me to put a 1 in front of the 5 that I was working with, changing that 5 into a 15. And now I do 15 minus 9. That I can do. 15 minus 9 is 6. And the last column to the left, I have 0 minus nothing underneath it, which is 0. So we don't have to write a 0 in the far left position. And that gives us an answer of 64.